So, first footage of the day. We're going up the Old Man of Storr, and it's pissing the rain.
Pissing down.
So I'm not sure how much video we'll get, but we're going to do it anyway, heading away up there. You ready?
Aye, I was born ready.
Were you? She was.
I will listen patiently. How are you to know? How are you to know? It's all the things you do.
Closer. Clouds clearing a wee bit. Admiring the view she's just climbed up to. Go that way in. That's away.
That's even better angle.
It's like a witch's hat, that one, isn't it?
I know.
As we're sitting here in silence, all I'm hearing is the rain. Don't mean to be so quiet, but there's nothing left to say. It's been going for a long time, but it's hard to cut the ties when there's no turning back, no. And we're saying goodbye, trying to make it work, and I gave it all. I've been fighting, fighting, fighting for love that I got nothing, nothing, nothing from. Try to fit him up, this can't be right. We are at a point where we just can't pretend things will be alright if we just start again. I've been fighting, fighting, fighting for love. Used to be the perfect lovers, used to be the closest friends. I didn't want no other, but this man has got a hand. It's been going for a long time. We've been living in a lie when there's no turning back, no. And we're saying goodbye, trying to make it work, and I gave it all. I've been fighting, fighting, fighting for love that I got nothing, nothing, nothing from. Try to fit him, but this can't be right. We are at a point where we just can't pretend things will be alright if we just start again. I've been fighting, fighting, fighting for love, fighting for love. This is the way it's gotta be, no other way for you and me. Once it's over, too late to once again being close to you. I know I have to close that door, be the man that I was before. Oh, I've been fighting, fighting for love. I've been fighting for it, but I got nothing, nothing, nothing from. Nothing, nothing, no. Try to fit him, but this can't be right. Can't be right. We are at a point where we just can't pretend things will be alright if we just start again. I've been fighting, fighting, fighting for love, fighting for love.
Oh, Don, there's a sign here. It says not to go beyond. She's bad. She's not paying attention to that sign. Huh? So now we're climbing up to this point. We don't need to. We just want to get a view from up there of all of that over there. And I might even get the drone up. It's quite calm. So we made it up to this big bit of rock, which is literally what it is. Big bit of rock. But from this big bit of rock, oh, don't know how far down there, you can see that.